Are you looking for that easy, quick, yet perfect and delicious akara or koose? Oh my goodness. You are the right place. If today is the first time here, this is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. We do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. So I have my beans here. I soaked it overnight. Okay, so this is the next day, and I'm just going to wash it very well again behind camera. Then I will get back to you. Okay, so I will remove it from the water with my strainer before I wash it again behind camera. Then when I'm done, I will get back to you. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Elizabeth Mommy's Recipes. Trust me, you will love it there. Okay, yes, so we are done cleaning everything or washing it again, and this is how it looks. Okay, I was just picking some of the peels that came out by themselves or removed by themselves. Okay, so I'm removing that. Then after that, I will strain the water from it, and then I'll pour them in my blender, add my onion. You can go ahead and add some pepper to it, but today we are not going to add pepper. Okay, now I'll go ahead and add some water to it and then blend it. So we are not going to add a lot of that because we don't want it watery. Okay, so where you can see my hand, that is where it is. I mean, the water, that is the quantity we used. I am done blending it and I've poured it in my bowl. I'll just use my hand mixer to mix it very well until it becomes very airy or fluffy. Okay, you can as well use your hand whisk to do that. You are good to go, but I'm going to use this. Okay, I think if you use the other one, it is very quick, but sometimes I always want to give myself work. That's just by the way. Now I have fried the first one already. That is why the oil look like that. Okay, so this is the second one I'm frying. I just use my ladle, okay, to scoop some, and then I'll go ahead and fry it. So as you can see, they already look very delicious. Let me flip one for you to see. Can you see that? Yes. So when the other side is ready, you just go ahead and flip it to the other side so that it will not burn, and also we can get that perfect and beautiful akara or koose. So we have two ways we prepare koose in Ghana, okay, and also I'm sure in Nigeria. With one, you can peel off the skin of the beans, and we have this one. Okay, yes, so today we are doing this, and I will bring you the other one as well very soon. Now this is the third one I'm frying. It is also ready. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Elizabeth and Mommy's Recipes. If you want short videos, I recommend my TikTok, Instagram, and my YouTube short for you. Let me open one for you. Just look at that. Very fluffy, not hard, and it is so delicious. You can see that the inside is well cooked, soft, fluffy, outside is crunchy, and trust me, this was perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to eat healthy, take good care of yourself, love yourself first, and see you in the next one. If you watch it fully, may God bless you. Bye bye.